A letter was written by the then governor to the House of Assembly requesting for appropriation or approval of 10 billion naira for the construction of Abia Airport. So, like I had said, the rest of the work will be done by security agencies. But what is important for our government is either that somebody is showing us at the airport or somebody is returning our money.
For the past few years, after that Governor Alex Otti became the governor of Abia State, many concerned citizens of Abia State have been asking Governor Alex Otti why he has allowed the previous governor, OKEZIE IKPEAZU, to be free and roaming around without being probed or arrested. Little did we know that Governor Alex Otti have been patient, waiting for the right time and the right process to carry out his grand plan to strike without even being seen. So in his recent program where he speaks to Abians, he has revealed his grand plan against the previous government of Abia State. Watch the full video because nobody saw it coming, and please don't forget to like this video and also share it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section because I would like to hear your opinion.
Sure, the roots. But what is true is that in the bank statement on the 25th of September 2020, when people were dealing with COVID, that a debit went into the state account for 10 billion naira, and the description was payment for 80% contract of the Abia Airport. That is true, and it's incontrovertible. The statement is there, the report is there. By the way, the report will be published very soon. Yet I can assure you that as reported by the media, it's KPMG that did the forensic audit. On the 13th of October, and that's almost 3 weeks after, a letter was written by the then governor to the House of Assembly requesting for appropriation or approval of 10 billion naira for the construction of Abia Airport. On the 14th of October, 1 day after, a letter was written to the governor, then governor, giving him approval for the 10 billion that he required for the airport. So clearly something went wrong. An ISPO was raised in between these dates. So our engagement with the company that received the money gave an impression that the company was deceived. The managing director of the company said that he told them that he had never built an airport before, and it's not his area of competence. Neither did he apply to them to construct an airport. So the people denying, the question for them is, how come when he moved into an account of somebody who has said he neither sent in a bid for an airport, nor has he the competence to construct an airport? And according to him, of course, he will respond to the security agencies. According to him, the then government asked him to move the monies elsewhere. He showed us letters from the then government to move the money in different tranches to 32 companies. And that he did on the instruction of the former government. So, like I had said, the rest of the work will be done by security agencies. But what is important for our government is either that somebody is showing us at the airport or somebody is returning our money. That is what is important to us. We are not interested in all the fireworks and all the abuse. We are not even interested in anybody going to jail, except if they are telling us that somebody whose money is missing should not look for the money. Where I come from, if your property is missing, you have to look for it. I don't know about you. So we are looking for our money, or in the alternative, our airports. Chukwemeka, I don't know if I've answered your question. Thank you.
Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, listeners and viewers at home, of course, this is the monthly media engagement captioned Governor Alex Otti Speaks to Abians. It's a monthly interface that highlights the major strides of this administration and tends to provide clarity on programs of the government led by His Excellency, Dr. Chioma Alex Otti, OFR.